Hello everyone. Today we will have a practice devoted to the air element. Air element is connected with the heart chakra, with our ability to love, to feel, and to express ourselves. So air is the element which is everywhere. So through our practice we will try to feel the spread of the air around us. I'm now in a very beautiful place, full of fresh air near the river, in the garden, also near the forest. So we will start our practice in a comfortable position. Try to put yourself in a calm, meditative state. I'm also using some meditation rolls. You can use any prop which you want to, so take a deep breath in and center your awareness. One more breath in. So let's start our practice. Let's come to the hero pose. It's a sit position on our knees. You can also put a block under your hips. And relax, put your shoulders down, open your chest and straighten your spine. Take a deep breath in, take your hands up, stretch your hands down and move yourself to the right, to the center and to the left. To the center, to the right, and lean with your neck and your body to the right also. To the center, to the left. Now start making small circles around yourself from the left side to the right. Inhale when you go forward, exhale when you go down. One more time. And back. Now another direction. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more time. And come back to center. Lock your arms in lock and put yourself up. Now try to lean yourself backwards and move forward, fold forward with a lock. When you reach the ground, try to put yourself forward. You can touch your forehead with the ground. Now interlock your fingers behind your back and stretch your arms behind your back. Continue breathing. Now slowly put your arm to the ground and return to the center. Now let's move to tabletop position. We will do some rounds of cat and cow. So put your hands in a shoulder distance and your legs on your hip distance or a bit wider. Look forward. When you inhale, curve your spine up, look up. Curve your spine down, look up. Inhale. With the exhale, round your spine, look down. Inhale. Exhale, round your spine. Inhale. very good side. Fine stretch here. Come back to center. Now raise your right hand up and thread the needle and lie on your right shoulder. You can stretch your left arm, stretch your shoulders. One more breath in here. Come back to tabletop. Now stretch your left arm up and thread the needle. Lie on your left shoulder, stretch your right arm. Come back to center, to tabletop. Now we will go to downward facing dog. I will move a bit forward. Now tuck your toes and go to downward facing dog. Tuck your tailbone. Try to put the mat forward. Stretch your spine and your legs. You can start paddle your legs a bit. Now raise your right leg up. Three-legged dog. And move your knee toward your chin and step between your arms. Low lunge. Now stretch. Raise your left hand up in a twist. Now put your hand back. Come back to downward facing dog. Move here a bit more. Now stretch your left leg up. Three-legged dog. And move your left knee towards your chin slowly and step behind your arms. Now place your hands on the floor. Put your right arm up. Give a twist. Place your right hand up. Downward facing dog. Now slowly step to the top of your mat. Fall down. Relax your head. Relax your chin. And slowly, like a candle, rise up in a mountain pose Tadasana. We will do 2 rounds of sun salutations here. So bend your knees. Rise up. Urdhva Hastasana. And fall down with the straight legs, Uttanasana. Relax your head. Now place your hands on the mat. Step with your right foot back. Step with your left foot back to downward facing dog. Move forward plank. And now bend your elbows in Chaturanga. Go down. Put your arms on your fingers. Cobra pose. Now tuck your toes. Downward facing dog. Raise your right leg up. Step forward. Step your left foot up. Rise up. And go Uttanasana. Come back to Tadasana. So we will repeat the same sequence on the left side. So place, rise up, and fall Uttanasana. Place your arms on your mat, step your left foot back, step your right foot back to the downward facing dog. The cat here disturbs me. Move forward to plank. Go down chaturanga. Cobra. Tuck your toes. Downward facing dog. Put your left leg up. Step forward. Step your right foot up. Rise up. And fall down. Now step your right foot back. Step your left foot back. Downward facing dog. Let's do it faster. Move forward plank. Chaturanga. Now place your arms upward facing dog. Curve your spine more. Tuck your toes. Downward facing dog. Now let's connect our feet. Bend our knees a bit and jump to the top of your mat. Rise up. Anahata and fall. Place your arms, step your left foot back, step your right foot back, downward facing dog, plank, chaturanga, upward facing dog, tuck your toes, downward facing dog. Connect your feet, bend them and stop. Rise up, Anahata and fall. Uttanasana. Now come back to Tadasana. We did our sound salutation sequence, so let's move to the standing poses. So press your feet to the mat, step your right foot back, step your left foot back, downward facing dog. Now step your right foot between your arms, put your left foot on the ground, turn it to 45 degrees, bend your right knee, and circle your arms to warrior pose. Bend your right knee, look forward to the right side. Stay here for some time. Open your chest. Now straighten your right leg and lean to the triangle pose. Open your heart and your left part. In this sequence, we are trying to open our Heart Chakra connected with air element. So let's open it to the air. Now take your left arm and move it, stretch it behind your back, behind your head, and look forward. Now bend your right knee and lean back to the peaceful warrior. Come back to center, straighten your legs and turn your feet to the front. Open your arms in a star pose. Raise your hands up in a house pose and try to lean yourself back. Now slowly move down. Lean forward. Relax your head. With the breath out, try to move yourself even deeper. Now place your right arm, hand to the mat, open your left arm to the sky. Place your left arm to the mat, open your right arm. Place your two hands on the mat and interlock them behind your back. And stretching your back muscles. Try to lean deeper and straighten your back. Now slowly come back to center. Bend your knees outwards Open your arms. Try to keep your spine straight. Goddess pose. Now straighten your legs. Open your arms. Straighten your arms. Move your feet to the beginning of your mat. Place your hands to the mat. Step your right foot back. Downward facing dog. Now straighten your left leg and move your left leg between your feet. And now circle, put your right foot on the mat, turn it 45 degrees, circle your arms to the warrior two. I will move it this direction for you. Virabhadrasana 2, warrior two pose. Straighten your left leg and triangle Trikonasana pose. Now straight your right arm behind your head and look forward. Bend your left knee and lean to the right side, peaceful warrior. Move your feet, straighten, look forward. Star pose, house pose, lean back. And now move forward. We will do the same sequence here. Try to put yourself lower. Now interlock your fingers and stretch your back. Place your hands on the mat. Open your left arm. Open your right arm. Come back to center. You can place your arms on your hips and bend your knees slowly. Come back to center. Move your feet outwards. A bit sit. And open your arms. Goddess pose. Continue breathing. Now straighten your arms. Open your arms. Come back. Place your hands on the mat. Downward facing dog. Now come back to plank, chaturanga, cobra. Your toes downward facing dog. Connect your feet and slowly move to the beginning of the mat. Rise up and fall. Meet me in Tadasana. Rise up, Utkatasana, chair pose. So place your left foot, your calf on your left thigh and concentrate, balance. When you are ready, connect your hand into prayer. If it's possible, interlock your arms and fingers and open your chest. Look up. So come back to center, Tadasana. So now rise up, Utkatasana. Put your left feet on your right thigh. Try to balance. So when you feel ready, connect your arms. Sit deeper, come back to prayer. Keep your arms. Concentrate on one spot. When you feel ready, interlock your arms behind your back and open your chest. Come back. So let's come back to Tadasana. Rise again, Utkatasana. Place your legs a bit wider and slowly connect your hands and go back to sitting squat. Stay here for one moment. Now sit back on the mat, cross your shin, come back to sitting pose. So now let's go to the hero pose where we started. We will do a camel pose. So in the camel pose, we stay on our knees. And when you feel ready, you can start with the one side. Try to lean yourself back, and when your left arm, try to touch your left heel. If you are ready, touch your right heel and lean back. Relax your head. Loose. Let's do it one more time. My back just hurt a bit, that's why I went out from the pose. Let's do it one more time. Lean on the left side, left heel, right heel, and relax your head. Come back to center. So now you can come back to lying on the mat. We will do shoulder stand. So place your hands behind your hips, raise your hands up, raise your legs up, sorry. So if you are ready today, we will do shoulder stand. So press your legs up and hold your lower back with your arms. Try to straighten your legs like a candle. Look up. Your fingers up. Your toes are in the point position. Straighten your legs. Hold yourself. In a perfect position, you shouldn't see your toes because they should be straight. Hold the pose. One more breath in. And when you feel ready, slowly pull your legs behind your head in a plug pose. And straighten your arms. It's called plug pose. Stay here for one breath in. And bend your knees. Come back to center. Place your legs on your mat. We are coming to the bridge pose. Place your arms on the mat. So rely on them. And raise your belly and your lower back up. Try to put yourself even higher. Stay here for some time. When you're ready, interlock your fingers and put your shoulders a bit more closer to your back and try to rise even higher. Stretch your back and open your heart. Come back. So if you are ready today, we would also do a wheel pose.